What is separation? There are two types of separation: legal separation, or in legal terms, separate maintenance, and marital separation. A so-called legal state of separation means an intentional suspension of marital relations between a husband and wife without a dissolution of the marital relationship. A removal from the home place by either spouse is typical but not required. A spouse can file an action for separate maintenance in the Superior Court. Through this action, the court has authority to award temporary and permanent alimony to a spouse and minor children, including litigation costs, just as they had the authority to do it in a divorce case. Should the parties go back to cohabitating and being intimate after a legal separation, this would annul any prior agreement or decree that provided for separate maintenance to a spouse, except that the spouse may keep what they've already received and they can't be made to return any payment or property. The second type of separation is marital separation, and this is really important. This is simply the suspension of marital relations between spouses without the dissolution of marriage, but nothing's being filed with the court. In legal terms, it is the suspended conjugal rights that include the company, cooperation, assistance, aid, and intimacy of the other spouse in every conjugal way. It is the intentional cessation of consortium or conjugal rights, which is the essence of separation, and this result may be initiated and maintained at the instance of either party or by mutual arrangement. In layman's terms, the spouses, while they may still live under one roof, are no longer intimate, they're no longer having sexual intercourse. So why does this matter? The separation date has very significant legal implications in a divorce case. This date is used to determine what is marital property and what is separate property. For example, if a couple stopped sexual relations on January 1st and the wife received a sizable bonus on April 1st, the wife can make the argument that the bonus is separate property, not subject to division of marital assets. Another significance is that the court will use this date to apply liability for debts. Sometimes a spouse may seduce their partner to participate in sexual relations after separation in an attempt to force the other spouse to share in the debts that they accumulated after the separation. It's really important to talk with your lawyer about the effects of resuming sexual relations after marital separation.